Theniel Menzies Bonie Mary. In coming by the brig o' day at Darlet we blinked tarry, as day was dawin in the sky we drank a health to Bonie Mary. Theniel Menzies Bonie Mary, Theniel Menzies Bonie Mary, cheerly Grigor, tint, plaidie, Kissin Theniel Bonie Mary. Her een sae bright, her brow sae white, her haffet locks as prunes a berry, and aye they dimpl't wi' a smile the rosy cheeks of Bonie Mary. Theniel Menzies Bonie Mary, Theniel Menzies Bonie Mary, cheerly Grigor, tint, plaidie, Kissin Theniel Bonie Mary. He'll lap and dance the lee lang day till piper lads were weighing weary, but cheerly gat the spring to pay for Kissin Theniel Bonie Mary. Theniel Menzies Bonie Mary, Theniel Menzies Bonie Mary, cheerly Grigor, tint, plaidie, Kissin Theniel Bonie Mary. That's written to a tune called the Ruffian's Rant. Burns wrote that song on his Highland tour in September of 1787. So in coming by the brig o' die, bridge of die, at Darlet we a blink did tarry. A blink is a little while. Let's see, her haffet locks, those are the temple locks, as brown's a berry. Probably would have been the only part of her hair that was showing underneath her bonnet. He lap and danced the livelong day. He leapt and danced the livelong day, till piper lads were wae and weary, were sad and weary. But Charlie gat the spring to pay. He had to pay. A spring is a sprightly tune, so he had to pay the piper. For Kissin Theniel Bonie Mary, that would be the daughter of Theniel Menzies. So, that last verse has been misprinted. It was misprinted by the Scots Musical Museum where it was first published. And we lap and dance the livelong day till piper lads were wae and weary. But Burns's manuscript, Hastie manuscript in the British Museum, has he leapt and danced the livelong day. So he lap and danced the livelong day. So no editor has caught this error. They've all copied it, even those who've seen the Hastie manuscript. So, until this editor, you heard it here first. Theniel Menzies. It's pronounced as it would be in Gaelic, a Highland name. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you'll subscribe. Thank you.